Hi everyone, we're still looking at mostly dry conditions overnight and for much of our Friday. We could see a couple isolated brief showers that can't be ruled out. But as we get more into the weekend, we are looking at an unsettled weather pattern. Looks like we'll see some rounds of some rain, some rounds of some thunderstorms, and we're still keeping an eye on Sunday evening and into Monday morning. That'll be our highest chance of some severe weather then. For tonight, still looking at still mostly dry conditions. Could see a few showers into the southern portions of the viewing area by around 6 to 8 a.m. But we are expecting temperatures to be into the upper 50s, lower 60s, and that's how we'll start off our Friday. So the showers, still most of it remains to the south. A few of it may break into our area, but it's not going to be widespread. Still can't rule out a few isolated showers into the afternoon. Better chances of some rain, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder into late Friday night into Saturday. Could have a break at times, maybe Saturday morning, but some of these thunderstorms will continue to build in more to the area for Saturday afternoon and evening. So your planner, still expect your morning and most of your afternoon to remain, again, pretty mostly dry there other than those isolated showers. It still will be a bit breezy. Could have some gusts over 25, 30 miles an hour in a few locations there. Temperatures look to be into the mid to upper 70s, highest 78 in Jonesboro. I don't see an 80 on the board there. And still, for our rain estimates, well, by Saturday evening, excuse me, we're still looking at rain amounts right around a quarter to a half of an inch, but those numbers will be higher as we will continue to have rain overnight and into Sunday. So your weekend planner, again, we may have a few breaks Saturday morning, but still more showers and thunderstorms will build into the afternoon and the evening. And then for Sunday, we also look like we could have maybe a break from the rain Sunday morning, but more into the afternoon, we'll have a couple more showers and thunderstorms. The severe weather threat will actually be more for Sunday night and into Monday. So the National Weather Service still has us under a slight risk for severe weather and later Sunday night and into Monday. So with this 15% chance, we are still looking at some strong to possibly severe storms, still with that damaging hail and possibly some damaging wind gusts. The good news is with the setup of still the system for Sunday night is that any thunderstorms are trending more to be on the shorter lived duration there. But still keep an eye on the weather as we get more closer into Sunday. We get a break for much of Monday into Tuesday. It will be much cooler. We drop from the upper 70s and 80s into the lower 60s for Monday. But then more unsettled weather looks to return for the middle of next week. Could see some more isolated showers, thunderstorms for Wednesday, Thursday. We could see some more 70s though later on.